In today's video, I'll be going over 7 exercises you can do to decrease neck pain and improve your posture. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Todd Sullivan. I'm a chiropractor who specializes in relieving chronic pain and treating sports injuries. One common question I have from patients is, what exercises and stretches can I do to decrease my neck pain and improve my posture? Here are the 7 exercises I recommend to patients to help decrease your neck pain and improve your posture. The first exercise to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is the chin tuck. To perform the chin tuck, what we're going to do is we're going to look straight ahead, have good posture, and then what we're going to do is we're going to assist our chin. We're going to gently push our chin back towards our spine, and what that's going to do, it's going to help stretch the muscles in the back of the neck and help to improve your alignment and improve your posture. You want to hold that stretch for 2 seconds and then repeat that exercise 10 times. And we want to do a total of 20 repetitions, so 2 sets of 10 repetitions, and each time you're going to hold it for 2 seconds and then relax. The big key when you're doing this one is you want to directly kind of push your chin back towards your spine, creating like a double chin, and what that'll do is that will help to improve your posture and decrease neck pain. The second stretch we're going to do to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is to do the scalene stretch. To perform the scalene stretch, we're going to put our hands on our chest and our fingers on our collarbone. To stretch the right side, we're going to tilt our head back and away from that right side, and that's going to help to stretch the scalene muscles, which run right in this region here. You want to hold that stretch for 30 seconds, and you want to do 2 to 3 repetitions, holding each repetition for 30 seconds. Perform this twice per day. The third stretch to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is to do the upper trapezius stretch. To perform the upper trapezius stretch, we're going to put our right hand behind our back. We're going to use our left arm to grab our side of our head and bring that head away from the side that you're stretching. And you want to hold that stretch position for 30 seconds and repeat that 2 to 3 times. And then perform this throughout the day 2 times. The fourth exercise we're going to perform to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is the Levator Scapulae stretch. To perform the Levator Scapulae stretch, we're going to bring our right arm across our body. We're going to use our left arm to kind of pull that arm more towards that left side. And now we're going to drop our head downward and away from that right shoulder blade. And that's going to help to stretch the Levator Scapulae muscle. We want to hold this for 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times and perform this 2 times per day. The fifth exercise we're going to do to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is called the open book stretch. To perform the open book stretch, we're going to lay on our right side. Our knees are going to be slightly bent up, but they're going to be together. Put a pillow underneath your head just to support your neck. Now what we're going to do is we're going to extend our arms out together, nice and straight in front of us. Now, keeping our knees together, we want to take our left arm and rotate back, opening up our chest almost like an open book. Let your upper body kind of rotate with your arm as it goes, and then you want to hold that for 5 seconds and then come back to start position. While you're doing this, one of the keys is you want to try to keep your knees together. So as you're rotating back, make sure your knees do not separate and allow your body to rotate far as back as you feel comfortable. Again, hold that for 5 seconds and then do 10 repetitions. We want to perform this exercise twice per day. The sixth exercise we're going to do to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is the cat-cow exercise. To perform the cat-cow exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to put our arms underneath us. We're going to get our knees underneath our hips. Once your knees are underneath your hips, I want you to widen your knees and spread them apart, and that's going to actually help to stretch the glutes and hips a little bit more. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop our head forward and arch our back up. Hold that for 2 seconds and then go the opposite way. This time you're going to look straight ahead and then arch your lower back. And now drop the head, arch your back up, hold for 2 seconds, and then go back and forth. We want to do this for 10 repetitions, 2 sets, so 20 reps total, holding each rep for 2 seconds. The seventh exercise to relieve neck pain and improve your posture is to perform the child's pose exercise. To perform the child's pose exercise, we're going to get on all fours. Our arms are going to be underneath our shoulders. Our knees are going to be underneath our hips. And then just from that position, just widen your knees a little bit. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to sit our butt back onto our heels and then extend our arms straight out in front of us. We want to drop our head forward and to get a nice stretch into the hips and lower back. You want to hold this position for 30 seconds. You want to perform this for 2 to 3 repetitions and do this twice per day.